Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Good morning, Michael. What do you usually do first when you wake up at home?
I stretch a little, drink water, and check my phone for gentle morning messages.
Do you walk here every day or only when the weather feels kind and bright?
I walk here daily because it clears my head and makes my slow mornings better.
What drink do you order when you want a simple and happy morning taste?
I choose milk coffee because it feels soft, warm, and easy to enjoy slowly.
Do you read news or music posts when you sit quietly with your warm drink?
I read short news lines because long stories feel heavy in the early hours.
What is the first small task you finish when you arrive at your quiet desk?
I open my notes and plan easy goals so my mind stays clear and calm.
Do you like elevators or do they make you feel a little nervous sometimes?
I like them because they give me short time to breathe and think calmly.
Does watching the city help you feel ready to work with more quiet energy?
Yes, it reminds me that many people are trying their best every single day.
What food makes you feel happy and comfortable during a simple lunch break?
Rice with vegetables feels light and kind, and it keeps my energy very calm.
Do you try new food or do you choose the same safe meal every day?
I choose safe food mostly, but I try new things when I feel brave.
How do you stay awake when your eyes feel tired in the afternoon time?
I drink water and stand up because small moves help my body feel alive.
Do you talk with friends here or do you enjoy walking quietly alone?
I enjoy short talks because they make my working day feel less heavy.
What kind of messages make you smile when your day feels a little long?
Kind jokes from friends always help me feel warm and calm inside.
How do you feel when your work ends and the evening starts quietly?
I feel free and thankful because I can finally breathe without any rush.
Do you walk home slowly or do you hurry to reach your warm house?
I walk slowly because it helps me forget stress from the busy day.
What small thing do you like to buy when you pass this lovely little shop?
I buy fruit because it feels fresh and kind after a long working day.
What do you do first when you finally step inside your quiet home?
I wash my hands and sit down because it feels clean and comfortable.
Do you watch shows or do you rest quietly after a long, busy day?
I rest first because my mind needs peace before watching anything.
What simple dinner makes you feel happy without too much heavy cooking?
Soup and bread feel easy, warm, and very kind to my tired body.
Do you wash dishes right away or do you leave them for later time?
I wash them quickly because a clean kitchen feels peaceful and nice.
Who do you like to call when you want to hear a friendly voice?
I call my sister because her voice always makes me feel calm.
Do you enjoy watching lights when the night feels soft and silent?
Yes, the lights remind me that life keeps moving gently everywhere.
Do you read books at night Or do you feel too sleepy for that?
I read small pages because long reading makes my eyes very tired.
Does warm tea help you feel quiet and relaxed before sleeping time?
Yes, it feels like a gentle hug for my tired and happy body.
Do you stretch before bed to help your body feel more comfortable?
I always stretch because it removes small pain from my shoulders.
What time do you set your alarm to start another simple day again?
I set it early because I like calm mornings without any hurry.
Do you think about good moments when you lie down to sleep?
Yes, I think about small wins that made my day feel bright.
Are you ready to start another day with a calm and happy heart?
Yes, every new morning feels like a soft and kind new chance.
Do you smile at yourself to feel a little more confident today?
I try because a small smile makes my mood feel much better.
What breakfast helps you feel full and ready for your daily work?
Eggs and bread feel easy, warm, and kind to my morning stomach.
Do you check your shoes carefully before stepping outside your home?
Yes, clean shoes help me feel more ready and confident.
Do you enjoy waiting here, or do you feel bored sometimes?
I enjoy it because I can watch people and learn from small moments.
Do you listen to music when the bus moves slowly through the city?
Yes, soft music makes the ride feel peaceful and short.
Do you always look both sides before you cross the busy road?
I do, because safety is more important than being fast.
Are you ready to start working with a calm and positive mind today?
Yes, I feel ready to try my best with a quiet and happy heart.
Do you greet your desk like a small friend every single morning?
Yes, it feels funny, but it makes me smile inside.
Do you finish easy tasks first to feel more confident today?
I do, because small wins help my mind stay positive.
Do you take short breaks to keep your body and mind relaxed?
Yes, short breaks save me from feeling tired too early.
Do small jokes make your serious working day feel a bit lighter?
They do, because laughter is a simple and kind medicine.
What do you plan to do when you go home this evening?
I plan to rest, eat well, and enjoy quiet moments.
Does leaving work make you feel lighter in your heart?
Yes, it feels like a soft gift after long hours.
Do you like walking with friends more than walking alone?
I like both, but friends make it more warm.
Does soft music make your heart feel lighter after work?
Yes, it feels like a gentle gift from the street.
Do you enjoy small talks or do you prefer deep talks?
Small talks feel easy and kind for daily life.
What dinner would you choose if you feel very hungry now?
I would choose noodles because they are warm and fast.
Does eating with company make your food taste better?
Yes, good company always adds flavor to simple food.
Do you feel happy after spending a simple day like this?
Yes, simple days often feel more peaceful and real.
Do you enjoy quiet walking when your mind feels full?
I enjoy it because it helps my thoughts settle down.
Does your home light make you feel safe after a long day?
Yes, it feels like a soft welcome every night.
Are you thankful for today before you fall asleep quietly?
Yes, I thank life for simple and kind moments.
Are you ready to start another gentle and happy daily life again?
Yes, every new day gives me a fresh and kind beginning.
Before you go, please like this video, share it kindly, and subscribe to Mr. English Clips.
Your support helps us grow, so stay with Mr. English Clips and keep learning English daily.